I think Gaurav Bhatia is joining us on the phone line. Gaurav Bhatia, the full list of donations are with us now. You know, from 2005, let me start from 2005, and the list is unending. Question is, Gaurav, in 2005, started in 2005 all the way till 2015, 2005, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Why was Prime Minister's National Relief Fund money being used to divert or donate? Why would you say, people are donating for relief fund. Why was it going to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation? Ministry of Home Affairs gave money to Rajiv Foundation. LIC gave money to Rajiv Foundation. SAIL gave money, that is Steel Authority of India Limited, gave money to Rajiv Foundation. Oil India Limited, Oriental Bank of Commerce, SBI, Directorate of Adult Education, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Environment and Forest, government money, your money, my money, public money being used for the family, for a family trust. I think some serious questions have been raised, and like Savio is saying, Gaurav, you can't just ask questions, you will have to investigate.
No, absolutely. I think the national president of the BJP, JP Nadda ji, has revealed something very, very serious. And let me just go back to yesterday's revelation also. Yesterday, what we had seen was that a bribe was taken by the Congress party from the Chinese government and the embassy. And why was it done? That was done to pass on secret information which will jeopardize national security today. Now just compare that the Prime Minister's Relief Fund, which is meant for helping the people of the country, which is to be used for the welfare of the country, is being diverted to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation for private use. And you are absolutely right. Action ought to be taken and will be taken. The fraudulent Congress needs to answer. Sonia Gandhi also needs to come out. And I would like to just give the example how Prime Minister's Relief Fund has been misused and abused. And this very party was questioning the PM Care Fund, which is being used to get ventilators for the citizens of the country, which was used for other purpose of public good. This is the difference between the Congress and the BJP. The Congress defrauds the country. They are known for their corrupt practices, and BJP has been always caring for the people of the country.
There are documents that we have, and we're pulling out more details of how there was even an allocation made for the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation in the budget. Now, we'll pull out those details as well. But I think some serious questions are being raised, Gaurav, and we'll have to see whether there will be a follow-up and an investigation on this, because, you know, the moment you start talking about what went wrong and documents, reveal the truth of what has been happening for the last few years, the first question that everybody asks is, why are you talking about 2005? Why are you talking about 2005 to 2015? But this is shocking. I mean, Ministry of Child and Women Development, Ministry of Women and Child Development, money was diverted to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Bank of Maharashtra, Ministry of Home Affairs in 2008-2009. Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, money was diverted in 2007-2008. Ministry of Environment and Forests in 2007-2008. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in 2007-2008. Ministry of Small Scale Industries in 2007-2008. And I think, Savio, there needs to be a bigger investigation. While we put out the details, between the years 2005 and 2015, several ministries, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund money for which people of India were donating. Why was that money sent to the Rajiv Foundation? It's a family trust. The list of donors is on your screen right now. It's not just the relief fund, not just the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Money from ministries, money from public sector units, public sector banks were diverted to the foundation, and I think it runs much deeper. Savio.
Continue to investigate. The Republic and the Goa Chronicle continues to investigate these kind of scams that the Congress have been involved in. You will find many of such scams. The point is, it is shameful for the Congress to take money from government institutions. Here you have people donating to the PM Relief Fund in the interest of the nation, and you have the PM Relief Fund being, the money from there being put into the Rajiv Gandhi Trust. and so many other government organizations donating to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. This is, I mean, I don't even know what to say. There's no word to describe it other than the fact that it's a scam, other than the fact it's about fooling people. But you know what will be the bigger problem? The bigger problem will be if Congress if Congress does not own up to this, number one, and number two, if BJP does not act against this scam. Because we've been putting this out over the last couple of days, and it is clearly evident that the nation is really seething against the Gandhis at this point of time. But if the government does not take action, it does not initiate an investigation, the nation will get upset with the BJP government. So it is important for people like JP Nadda not to demand for an apology, but to act.
Well, the list of donors is unending, and I can tell you the story is getting bigger. We also broke this morning about how there were funds from the, the moment you start digging deeper, so much more rot emerges. Yesterday, we spoke of how the Chinese government had funded the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. This morning, it appears relief fund, the Prime Minister's relief fund under UPA, money was diverted to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. The same party asks question about PM Cares. The same party was diverting funds to a family trust, and it's on paper. And now the story is getting bigger. It's not just the relief fund. It's not just the Prime Minister's relief fund. Several ministries, government bodies, government agencies, public sector banks, public sector units, money was siphoned to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. The story is getting bigger. Savio, stay with me. Suesha, we'll take a short break and we'll come back. We'll come back and get some more responses. The story is only getting bigger. The trust scam story getting bigger on Republic. Stay tuned.